Hey there, today I'm going to be unboxing a Coach item that I didn't buy from Coach directly. I bought from Amazon, and that may have been a mistake. But more importantly, this is going to be the, I guess, start of my journey into recovery from the big bag addict that I am. I love giant bags, and I need to start downsizing and getting more comfortable with smaller bags. So this is one step in that direction. So join me in unboxing, trying it out. It may have to go back. Let me tell you all about it. Stick around. Hey there, thanks for coming back. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrance, skincare, makeup, high-end luxury goods, contemporary brands, your expensive cup of coffee, your designer dog maybe. I have two pugs that you might hear snoring in the background. They're down there sleeping right now. Just all about, treating yourself to whatever makes you happy out there. So it could be any number of things. And I love purses. If you have seen other videos of mine, you know I have quite a few bags, the majority of which are fairly large bags. And the majority of my collection has been, large size model bags. I am like with Louis Vuitton, I'm drawn to the GM size, if that gives you any indication, the extra large Burrow and Coach. Just if it's practically luggage, it's my bag. And for the longest time with work pre the scenario of 2019, 2020, I had to lug a lot of things around, computer, and all my work stuff back and forth. It just was a big part of my lifestyle for a really, really long time. If I had to carry medication with me, what have you, I just had to carry a lot of different things with me. However, post that time, I now work primarily from home, and I don't really have to go into the office that often. Right now, it's about twice a month. It may start to increase and become at least once a week, maybe once or twice a week. But even so, with that, I feel like I can get around with having a work bag and having a personal bag. And since the majority of my week will be personal, I need to step away from having to have a massive bag with me all the time. And it's been a hard kind of journey to move into. I've bought a few things over the years. Like I have over here several, like I have this Tabby wallet on chain. I've got this YSL wallet on chain. I have a Felici from Louis Vuitton. Just a variety of like a couple of small bags. And those are great for like a night on the town. But as far as when I swap into a bag for the week, and I tend to kind of pick out a purse for the week to get into, I still find myself gravitating towards buying larger bags and not feeling comfortable downsizing to just the phone, the keys, maybe some sunglasses, something really small. And I'm having trouble like finding that happy medium between wallet on chain and small bag. So fast forward to where we are today. I've been sleeping on Coach, the new Coach. Like I go into the outlet and I look around and like nothing's really been catching my fancy. I picked up an item a couple months now, that was part of the denim collection. And I really liked that. And I had the intention of converting that into a crossbody item. It had card slots in it. It was I think, dual wallet. I'll put the image of it on the screen. But I can't figure out how to do it appropriately. So I started going down the rabbit hole of what's available, found a bag, It's available at several different outlets out there. Unfortunately, I kind of now live in a shopping desert. It's about an hour, hour and a half to most of the stores that carry it in person. So I decided to take the plunge and order it from Amazon. Get it, you know, I have pay for Prime, so why not have it shipped from Prime? And I ended up picking up, I saw that Coach had a store on Amazon and took the chance. And I thought, well, it can't be any worse than ordering from Macy's or ordering from Bloomingdale's or any of the other outlets out there. So let's check it out. And it came yesterday. It seems legit. I'm not too concerned with the authenticity. Looking at the packaging and all the tags are there. So that's probably my first question, I guess, for the folks out there, if they're trusting Amazon as a outlet. The price was the same as it was in the store. I probably could have waited and gotten a discount or something from like Macy's, but yeah, the pricing was the same. So I thought I'd take a chance. So this is the Brook crossbody denim bag. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I will be fully transparent. There's probably a 90% chance this will go back. I don't want it to fail, but because I said I'm a recovering big bag addict, I feel like it's not going to work for me. I'm already at it has a disadvantage. I already think negatively towards it based on the strap, how I saw it. It was just like, I don't know, just something about it was like, oh, I like it. It's denim. It's pretty. But something about it is scaring me as far as, are the straps going to work? Is my phone going to fit in it? I have the giant 14 Pro Max phone. So I just got really paranoid. So it does come with 2 straps. I mean, this is like, there's a lot of packaging here. So I'm going to do all of this and then we'll come back once it's unwrapped. Okay, we're back. And so I left some of the packaging on because, again, I have a feeling it's going to go back. So I want to try it out, just putting the items in there, but I don't want, if it's going to go back, I don't want to be the kind of person that's like, I'm going to use this and then send it back. I want to just test it, send it back as best as I can in its original state so that, it can be resold if need be. But, so this is the Brook. It comes with this chain strap, the shorter one, and it's attached right here. So I haven't attached both on here, but let me see if I can get this so I can at least use the crossbody for a second and see if that's going to work. I know I would never use this with both straps on, because that was one of the things about the smaller Cassie that kind of bugged me with multiple straps. I don't know, it just didn't work properly. But so here's the Brook. It has, your basic wallet on chain type of feel. It has a pocket back here in the back. When you open it on the inside, there are a couple of card slots here. One zip pocket here in the back. This zip pocket is very tight. That's disappointing. So the zipper pull is so small. This is a really tiny zipper pull. Yeah, I expected more in the quality aspect of it. The other denim item I picked up was definitely, the material felt nicer. So maybe, I don't know, maybe because it's from Amazon. So not thrilled already, but I'll put the dimensions up front. So basically I want to know if this phone is going to fit in any number of pockets. It does fit in the back. So that's promising. It fits inside with a lot of room. So that's promising. So that could be a good thing. What I'm not, okay, so I'm a big plus size person. So this is the kind of bag, like when I have a shoulder bag, this, I just can't. I have sloping shoulders, shoulder bags. This is not what works for me. So this has to be a crossbody to work for me. And I believe you take these apart right here. I don't even know how to properly make this happen. Oh, there we go. Which is not easy to do when it has the plastic still on there. We're doing our best. I don't want to rip it off for that purpose. So let's just say we're going to go to there. That's definitely not going to work. All right, we're taking it off because I can't test it if it's on there. Didn't want to do that, but it is what it is. Okay, so there it is, fully extended. That's not going to be long enough. Yeah, that, I mean, it's right under my boob. That's disappointing. Yeah, that's a bummer. I'd have to use a different strap with it. So yeah, I just wish this was like 3 inches longer. So I prefer my bags to hit down here, closer to my waist, almost at my hip. So about 3 more inches would have been nice. I should have just left that plastic on. That's just not good. I don't want to say that it's, I don't think it's going to work for me. I mean, I'll give it another day or so. I'm going to try it. I'm going to put some stuff in it, wear it around the house. But I think at the moment, it's not going to work. The size is fine as far as capacity goes. That's not a problem. So I at least know that what has been a problem is like the tabby here. That's my phone barely fit with other items. So this was a troublesome spot for me. And I had to put these extenders on there, which I could do here as well. So there's that. Maybe I'll do that. So I will try that. And I'll pin a comment about what my decision is at the end. I will never use the silver. Like I said, I don't carry things shoulder. So that's not going to work out. I think it's cute. I like the denim. I'll have to see how it looks with the extenders. But I'm really bummed that the strap doesn't go longer as is. It's just disappointing. So, all right. Well, I didn't mind it being through Amazon. So there's that. Packaging was really nice. So good. I will consider buying through Amazon again if it's something else that I want to get that might be harder to find, or that I can't go up to Portland to get. So the jury is still out on whether this is going to stick around, but it's definitely, at the very least, capacity-wise, got potential. Still a little bit concerned. This is fine as far as the closure goes, but this interior, it's better now. But the initial zipper was quite fussy. And this little zipper pull is really small, but I can see why they needed to do that with how small the whole interior is. Is it worth $250? That's the question. With everything I have to do to modify this, is it worth $250? And granted, I spend a lot more money on other bags. So I mean, I get it that there's other things I own that I've spent way more money on. Yeah. The jury is still out. So I'm going to have to take a couple days to figure it out. But first impressions, the quality is fine. I just wish they would have done a better job with a longer strap. I mean, I don't see how adding a couple more inches to even in the shorter function would have been a problem, even at shoulder length. So that's just my opinion, but yeah, that was just kind of disappointing. And I know I'm a plus size person. I'm one small, relatively speaking, population out there. It's not designed for me, but I wish there would be a little bit more mindful that there are folks out there who might need it to, if it's going to be crossbody, consider all the body types that might utilize it. So that's my only serious critique. It is awfully cute. I will honestly say that. I think it is a really cute bag. And I think, yeah, it's worth $250 if you can use it as is, but considering I have to modify it, I'm a little bit annoyed by that. So watch this space. We'll see if it's going back or not. But yeah, so there's the Coach Brook. I'm going to call it a mini bag, not really a wallet on chain, but a mini bag. And I'll let you know if it sticks around. And I'll let you know how my journey into small bags turns out. Let me know what you find to be a great mid-size bag for your lifestyle and that works on plus size folks. So I do need to have crossbody, or I carry it like a top handle or quick of my arm. I unfortunately do not have any shoulder capacity. So if you've got the same type of affliction, let me know what you're carrying, because I will appreciate any advice that's out there. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.